daily English conversation on hobbies and interests.
Hi, Mary. How are you doing today?
Hi, John. I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing well too, thanks. So, what do you like to do in your free time?
I love to read books and watch movies. How about you?
Oh, I love playing sports and exploring the outdoors. Hiking and camping are some of my favorite activities.
That's great. Do you have any specific favorite sports?
Yes, I love playing basketball and soccer. I try to play at least once a week with my friends.
That's cool. As for me, I'm more of an indoor person. I love curling up with a good book or watching a movie on Netflix.
I can definitely understand the appeal of that. What kinds of books do you like to read?
I enjoy reading thrillers, mystery novels, and classic literature. Right now, I'm reading The Great Gatsby by Scott Fitzgerald.
That's one of my favorite books too. I read it back in college and loved it. Have you seen the movie adaptation?
Yes, I have. I thought it was really well done, but as always, the book is better.
Definitely. So, do you have any other hobbies or interests besides reading and watching movies?
I also enjoy cooking and trying out new recipes. It's a great stress reliever for me, and I love experimenting with new flavors and cuisines.
That's awesome. What's your favorite dish to cook?
I love making lasagna from scratch. It's a bit time-consuming, but the end result is always worth it.
That sounds delicious. I'll have to come over for dinner sometime.
Sure, that would be great. How about you? Any other hobbies besides sports and outdoor activities?
Well, I also love playing the guitar and singing. I used to be in a band back in college, and I still try to play and write songs whenever I can.
That's really impressive. Do you have any recordings or videos of your performances?
Yeah, I have some old recordings on my laptop. Maybe I can show them to you sometime.
That would be awesome. I would love to hear your music. Well, it was great talking to you, John, but I have to run now. Let's catch up again soon.
Definitely. Take care, Mary.
Loving what you see? Make sure to show us some love by liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment down below.